Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the string functions. So here we have a list of all the functions, string functions. So let's start with the first function. But before that, we need to understand that what is a string. So when we say that, let's say I'm taking char s of 10, right? So I can store anything in this s of 10, right? So this value can be, let's say, hello, right? Also I can save 1 2 3. So keep in mind that when you say 1 2 3 and double quotes 1 2 3, both are different. This is a number 123, while when you write in 1 2 3 in double quotes, it is character, while this is integer. So when you store any data in the character string, either it's a character or the numbers, or let's say India 123 @gmail, anything. So when you store any data, either it's only characters or numbers or the collection of numbers, characters and special characters, all we consider as string. So always keep in mind that whenever we talk about the string, it is always comes under the double quotes, right? So it's a string, and string is always character data type, either it's a numbers or whatever. So when we say 1 2 3, let's say when you say 1 2 3 is a character string, so you cannot apply any mathematical operations, right? You cannot apply any mathematical operations on this type of string string of numbers. But yes, we can definitely apply mathematical functions on this. So what you can, or which type of operations you can perform on string? So here we have the list of functions, and we will see all the functions one by one. Okay, so let's start with the first function, strlen. Okay, so let's say that I have taken char s1 of 10, and I am just initializing the string with the word, or with the string hello, and I want to find the length. I want to find the length of this string. What you can do? So simply you can write this way. Like suppose you want to print it directly, so you can write it this way, like printf in the brackets double quotes length of s1 is, and length is of course length will have some integer value, so %d and comma %d comma, and here you can write strlen, but string length of what? Of s1, right? Because here we have a string s1 and we want to find the length of this string, so here you can write strlen of s1. So string length function takes one argument, and that argument is nothing but the name of the string, right? So this is the first method, of course, semicolon should be there, right? Yes. So this is the one method. What is the another method? So in another method, what you can do, okay, okay, in another method what we can do, we can okay, fine. What we can do, we can take one integer, let's say alien I have taken, and then I can write this way: len is equal to strlen of what, s1, and then I can print it using this, like length of s1 is person d, and my this person d will come from this variable, right? So we have two different ways to print the length. One, directly you can write it inside the printf function, this way you can write the function, and another method is, in another method you can take the integer variable, then assign the length of the string in that variable, and then simply print it. So this is about the strlen function through which you can find the length of the string. So in next part we will discuss about the other functions.